My must-have makeup brushes. I recently switched my makeup brushes and I just started using Makeup Secrets and I'm so impressed. I love the bristles of this brush because it's super soft, so it feels really luxurious on the skin. Now, I personally believe in investing in the right kind of makeup brushes because they can last you for years and years, so I feel like it's definitely a great investment. So I'm done with my base and I need to finish the rest of my makeup, starting off with setting powder, and for that I'm using the Powder DF08 brush. So these brushes are actually manufactured in India, but they have such an international look and feel, which is amazing. Okay, I'm done with the setting powder and now I'm going to apply some blush, which is also my favorite part of doing makeup, and for that I'm using this blush brush DF17. Another reason why I love these brushes is because they have excellent color pickup and flawless payoff. Okay, now we're going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to first start off by using the DE15 shader brush. These brushes just pick up the right amount of product and it's so easy to blend with them, so I love using this for my eye makeup. Now I'm going to define my eyes a bit, and for that I'm using the DE08 dome brush. I also love the price points of these brushes. It literally starts at $325, which I think is incredible. Using the same dome brush, I'm also just adding a little bit of shimmer to the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm really particular about what liner brushes I use, and I love this one. This is a DE04 precision liner brush. All these brushes are a part of the Dazzle range. This is the final look. If you want to get these brushes, you can purchase it directly from their website. I'm also going to link it in the caption below, so happy shopping.